Alright guys, installing the software of the iShoe. Install iShoe Auto Deck 362 L1. So just have to plug in the USB. So once you plug in, then it's showing up now. It should up install iShoe Auto Deck 362 la 1. And then install. Then of course you have to input the code. That's the default code, eh? One, two, okay, then install. So installing now. 100% complete. So then power down and remove the update media. The installation finished successfully. Done. That is very quick. Power down. And then remove here the USB.